All right, this looks so tasty. This recipe is already on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page and on my Facebook page if you want to copy it down. It's a lemon cheesecake roll-up, Paula.
Yep.
Where did you find this recipe?
It was one of those Facebook things, and then I went, oh, I bet I could do this or this with it. So, but my son-in-law has taste tested it and approved it. My mother has approved it, and Tom says it would be better with cherries. But well, that's okay. That's okay.
Yeah. So show us what you're using here because you love this.
Yes, I do. I found fresh puff pastry as opposed to the frozen, and it's a little bit bigger than what you normally find, and it bakes up beautifully.
Ooh, okay.
And you can do things quick. You don't have to think, oh, I have to thaw this out. On this one, I'm going to go ahead and let you keep about a third in the middle, and then make slits about 8 to 10, depending on what you want.
Okay, so you keep the middle third, and then you make slits on the sides.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'll mix up some cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla in the meantime. And we just make this as the base. And I took it out so it would be softer.
You're having to stir a little harder today.
Yes, I am.
Perfect.
But you could do this with any filling you wanted. I used lemon curd because I wanted something bright. When we were looking for lemon curd, Jenna found mandarin, which would be orange. And she thought that would be really good in it.
Kind of refreshing, I would guess.
I think it's kind of fun to be able to go that way. And then you just take your cream cheese, slap it in the middle.
Okay.
Right down the center. And Jen is very excited we're going to have leftovers when she gets home from school.
Well, unless the newsroom eats it.
Well, no. I'll have this one. I have to cook it.
You have to cook it.
And so you can go ahead and just spread it right down the middle.
Okay.
I usually leave just a little on the end.
Oh, you do? Okay.
So you can fill it in.
Okay.
And then once you've got that spread, then we just layer it with the lemon curd.
Okay.
The lemon curd will just go right on top of it and spread it into the mix as well. Just cover it from one end to the other. And then you're going to start the braid. Now I flip over the one end so it doesn't spill all over your oven because I'm all about not, but that's where I love my silicone sheets. And then you just braid it back and forth.
I wondered how that was going to work.
Yep. And then
that's kind of fun. Okay.
Yeah, it's something you could, let kids help you with too.
How long do you bake it for?
Between 30 and 40 minutes. It depends on the oven.
Here's the finished one.
Yep. And then we just put egg wash on top of this.
Ooh.
Just because I kind of like the finish. And then you're just good to go.
Really good.
Oh, and I sprinkle powdered sugar on the top of it because
looks pretty, yeah.
It's not sweet enough.
Yeah. I like the lemon in there.
I do too. It's kind of got a nice balance.
Yeah,
so.
perfect. All right. So this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page and on my Facebook page if you want to copy it down. Try it for yourself.
Thank
you, Paula. Back to you, John.